Ladies and gentlemen, in this video tutorial, we will learn to write Urdu alphabet. Let's start. The first letter is Aleph. Then we have Be. We make a board and put a dot under it. It's Be. The third letter is Pe. You make a board and put three dots under it. Pe. Then we have Te. You make a board and put two dots on top of it. Then we have got Te. You make a board and put this special character on top of it and it becomes Te. Then we have Se. We make three dots on top of the board and it's Se. Then we have Jeen. You make this character and then a curve like this. This is J. If we put three dots in it, then it becomes J. And if we don't have any dots in it, then it's He. And if we have got a dot on top of this character, then we have gotten the sound of He. He. Then we have Dal. It's a half circle, and if we put that special character which we have put on Te, then it becomes Dal with some uh, strong sound. This is Dal and this one is Dal. Then if we make a half circle and put a dot on top of it, then it's Zal. And if we write this character, then it is Re, straight line and a little horizontal line, then Re, Re, Re. And if we put on a dot on top of it, then it becomes Z, Re, Re, Z. And if we put three dots on top of it, then it becomes Ye. And then we have seen small, two small half circles and then a big half circle. And if we put three dots on top of it, then it becomes Sheen. Swad is written like this, Swad. And the Wad is written like this. If we put a dot on top of Swad, then it becomes Dwad. And then we have Toe, the special character which we have been putting on Te, Dal and Re. So it's Toe. And if we put a dot on top of Toe, then it becomes Zoe. Then we have Ain. Make a half circle, small half circle, and then a big half circle. Then it becomes Ain. Half circle, big half circle, and if you put a dot on top of it, then it's Ghan. Then we have Fe, just like Be, but we make a circle with Be and we put a dot on top of it, then it's become Fe. And Kaf is a small circle, then a big half circle and two dots on top of it. Then it becomes Kaf. Calf is written like this, calf, and calf is written like this, calf. Then we have lam. We write it like this, meme, noon, noona. If we don't put a dot in the half circle, in the big half circle, then it's luna. Then we have wow, and then we have hey. We can write hey like this or like this. So it's do chashmi hai, the top one is do chashmi hai, and this is hati wali hai. Then we have a small character Hamza, and then we have choti hai. It's written like this, and badi hai is written like this. So this is how we write the Urdu alphabet. Now your task is to write down all the characters, and please mind that these are the lines. So we have used these lines to write it down. Thank you very much for joining me. I will see you in the next tutorial.